Evangelia kolega mpaka insurance ya kolegi nero. You will be given these letters to your department level, and that's the substance. I know what I'm going to do. I know what I'm going to do. And what you are. No, there is all these ones. This one category. I know I'm very proud of the people who travel for these activities. I'm happy since when we strengthen and we put in confirmations, we realize good results. I know for sure there are those ones who are involved in corruption practices. There are people who bought vehicles through these taking advantage of those ones who participate in Costa sports. I have a number of them. I have a list of all the people before I came to the office who are normalized, who are playing the field of getting money from the county to participate in the Costa. I'm sorry, since I came, some of them who are doing some construction in town, in their homes, since then, stopped. I want to ask them to work hard, get other avenues, get money. No. Getting money which is meant for other workers of the county for your own benefit. Brothers and sisters, those who are in the level of directors, assistant directors, I know a good number. This was their cash cow. They were making money like what it will never happen. People must earn from their sweat. Am I right? Yeah. And I want to tell you, for those who are going to Costa, I've decided on my own volition that I'm going again to get close to 300 people to join with you. Those ones who have never benefited, even getting some small allowances. Therefore, for the job group J, K, I don't know which is the lowest job group. E. From E. No, A is not there. Even B is not there. C is not there. G going downward. Yeah. All those sounds. And I want to make a promise. I know some of them are not here. I want to announce that I'm going to consider from every department what of our day ender, our day under pesa in terms of allowance, they will definitely earn. My directors, I know some of you have enjoyed this money. And you do more than this year. My brothers and sisters, allow also these people to see the fruits of Simba coming to office. Kwa hiyo wale ambao mko mtaani Costa, mtakutana na mashabiki wetu, wafanyakazi wa account ambao wataungana pamoja to cheer you up. At least for now, I'll get a good number of them. Then the subsequent again, yes, kila mtu anataka kila mtu ajisikie kwamba yeye ni mfanyakazi wa kaunti za Kisii. Na wewe kama wewe unafanya bidii sana, ndio kwamba tunawatumia watajiunga pamoja kwa hiyo mchezo. Kama ni mpira, kama ni kuvuta kamba, kama ni fanya ni dance. I'm so happy with the team here, but we prepare. We get tunaweka hapo na bidii za kifua na nzuri sana. Congratulations. kuuliza kansa. Wengine hapo wanataka kujifunga, hapana. Wakati mwingine tembea nyumbani. Sawa sana. Kwa hivyo, I've directed all my CECs through the chief officers will identify a team of that lower cadre, also to be their part and parcel of Kisii County. Sindio? Na wao kila sikukuu wakuja waseme kwamba sema kazi inakuwa ngumu sana, lazima pia nipate nifurahisha watu wao. Wanamegani? I'll speak to some issues later. Allow me to say this, the Deputy Governor of the Service Board who have done very well. The chief officers, all present, all directors, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to join you today as I deliver good news regarding the transition of officers who have been serving the county government for more than 2 years to permanent and pensionable terms. I know a number of you have been waiting for this day. I did some exercise here some time back with the ECDE teachers again today. I'm back here to actualize for the main team for us to make progress as a council. I'm aware that this confirmation exercise has taken long, and I take this as an opportunity to sincerely thank all for the patience you have demonstrated showing up in your respective workplace, waiting for the completion of this exercise. Amid graduation on 1st May during the celebrations, after I listened to your grievances at Goosey Stadium and promised that your pending issues will be addressed by my team. Today, I stand here as the governor to deliver that promise. I'm happy to announce that my administration, having considered your cases, has confirmed into permanent and pensionable terms a total number of 179 workers. They include 42 vocational training instructors. Wako hapa instructor here every year time. But vile my people anasema ayawayawi wewe. Mpaka umeshana mimi. Leo ndio and because you go, you benefit, you have the insurance and other benefits. They say this, they include 42 vocational training instructors, 45 ECDE teachers, 60 agricultural officers, 3 clinical officers, and 3 administration officers. It is worth to know that a total number of 164 teachers who are above the age of 45 will have their contract enhanced. Our walimu wako 106 what? 64. Our walimu wako wale walikuwa ndio sio sasa ndio. Kwa hiyo ndio wale wako naona ni kama asante kwa hiyo hata sisi tunafika hiyo. Ukifika kuna mtu anafika sisi anauliza nimefika kweli? Sasa kwa sababu sheria inasema kwamba above 45 huwezi kuwa PNP. Mimi niliamua kila mmoja wenu, you remember the discussion we had here? Kwamba tafadhali governor then enhance our contract. That is exactly what I've done. You are in contract mpaka ufike miaka yako ya 60. Ile kidogo na kisha hata kama ndio pia inafanya to make sure because of our employees will benefit from those benefits in time. Kwa hivyo waziri amesema kitu kizuri hapa, tafadhali kama umepewa kazi, enda hawa watoto ni watoto wako, na watoto wa ndugu wako wasome, ndiposa kesho tupate vijana wazuri, wasichana wazuri ambao watarepresent our county in different levels. Amabi, before I forget, there is one lady from Minnesota wants to become a representative in the representative house of representative in the U.S. Holder of mine, for me and me. Yani wengine hapo umesikia tu maya. Hawajui Moge no muswati uliko. She's our daughter, she's our sister. Pero mutane enzi yawa ndawa rubangi kama ndawa conviction of a kumugumi. Nice, about your cookery, Lamam, Sabu Manu, Sai, Kama, and Jim, so Mojo, Nera, Kugava, Abe Mojume, Abu MCA, Ibage, in the moment, right? Amen? Good. Besides, I have instructed my team to explain cases of 12 officers who are employed, but they are shortlisted record is not available, including one of our doctors. Additionally, a total of 13 ECDE teachers who exceeded the advertised number are also being considered for absorption. Another officers whose cases are pending to bear with us as public service board sort them out. And we do everything within the confines of the law. We don't want to get problems. We are sure of our process. One of you will have a case pending with the board. The last will be sorted out. But again, let me say this. There are those ones who been implicated in many malpractices. When given after their papers that were presented fake certificates for you to get into office, we can't look back. The only assurance we want to give you is that as long as you go to school and your papers are in place, you will be employed, you will get a job. Like this morning, you can't imagine, but I'm not going to mention this person. Presented to us fake papers from Master University. And present, anaenda kuweka signature ya Vice Chancellor alikuwa amekufa kitambo. Now the administration inaendelea. The principal raised from the grave and signed for it and went back to the grave. Even that post that he has just mentioned, it was not offered at that time. Therefore, somebody was offering it in some places, cyber cafes here in town. Denying a bright child from a poor family. At the right time, I will tell you what my practices were here, especially the team that we sent home. We will be the same way we will do. Once anybody who has a fake diploma, a fake certificate, a fake degree, we prepare. We finish in Form 4. To some extent, we go down. For now, we are coming for you. If you are a director, you have a chief officer, pay for it. And this one, I'm checking them. We must recover all the monies you have earned over time. How much was that?
Kwa sababu kuna watoto nyumbani. When you hear says we are confirming you, whereas somebody was confirmed, and grade 2022 confirmed, and you got it. Imagine if I abated that small crime, if I abated, how hospitalini mpaka some people, mtu amesema amefanya nasi na alifanya nasi, what do you expect in the hospital? The national government may not do it, but I'll do it for my people. Because this is my motherland, I'll do it to save our people and the young people who are in school. We must make sure and show the world that education matters. To my early childhood educators, you are aware that you play a very critical role in laying a foundation of our children. The little ones can only grow physically, emotionally, and intellectually and mentally if only you provide them with a conducive environment. And it's my prayer as a parent that you will inculcate to them the required values that will determine their success as they evolve. As parents, we have entrusted you with our children. I urge you once again to mold them into leaders the society we want to have. From their onset years, shape their moral, commits, social and physical development for a better tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, my administration has sought partnership with various organizations to enhance education in early institutions that are involved. For instance, we have partnered with Standard Bank, and partnership has enabled us to receive computers for use under the joint digital agenda. Our Vocational Training Center have already received the first part of these gadgets that are crucial in the training of youths. Besides, several youths are undergoing training on ICT under this partnership, and I'm excited to announce that we will have the first graduation next month. Further, my government has partnered with Kenya Commercial Bank Foundation to offer scholarships for several vocational training centers, including fashion and design, electrical installation, plumbing, hairdressing, tailoring, dressmaking, and motor vehicle mechanics. May I stress on this point? I went out of my way, pleaded, went down my knees. A high number of youths totalizing, it's important to note, totalizing to 3,800 have applied for the training, out of which 1,500 will be selected to start their lessons in our vocational centers spread across the county. The interviews are ongoing today, and I wish the participants the best of luck. Finally, to all our new officers now that we are joining the government and the system, though you have been there formally, receive my congratulations. I expect that you give me the best. I gave him the promise that I will make sure that all those ones, kuna watu walikuwa na hamu kila mahali, lakini jamaa rais ilikuwa ni vita kuangalia makaratasi. Vile amesema, we have returned them severally. Go and do a good job. May I ask if there is anybody here who gave a bribe? Because who gave a bribe to public service board? Usimame, ukinyanyua ulitoa shilingi 200, I'll give you. I'm serious. Kuna mtu anapeana huko. Hautapoteza kazi, kazi inakuja wewe. I want to show this guy down here. I will give you 1 million. Kama ulipeana hongo kwa hii board, nitakupea milioni 1 na nitakupea hiyo kazi itaendelea. Mtu anaenda kwa hiyo. Kuna mtu pale? Hakuna. That's how serious we are. And the board you see, anytime you will be required to follow the code of conduct for public service. Good people, I want to live in it. Let us do right. Those of us who are working. And allow me to say things on you to see. For those ones I know, there are those ones who can't hear you, but allow me to say in you to see those of you who hear how to see. When the time was like one day, I got a point. Abantu balimuwe bao murako bangi kusiba taking akindira ngo that team of finance we're not going to give it home, and I want to give a last warning to you people. I'm not going to relate you. Hakuna vile kwa sababu mimi niko na allowances kidogo. Hata mimi nimekuwa nikilima sana. Magari hapa mimi ninalipia gari yangu. Abantu wanaongea hapa kumbani kwa na sio leo hapa. Lakini I want to assure you, if you don't believe it, you better do what? Leave. Thank you very much. Get started for Thanksgiving. I welcome you. I can assure you, take on the last move back to the soldier or Mata or Nikalan Bakut, and I'm you are welcome on 28th. We celebrate. And you know,
next week,
around the place, it's important to know this because I'm talking to people who are educated, people who are good. I want to assure you, on the person who's interested in the leadership of our party, ODM, register on 27th. We're having elections at the polling stations. 10 women, 10 youth, and 10 men to totally start from every polling station. You don't know. By the time we're going to have you all along the leadership of the party, especially saying that 2 times general Saturday, you see more again. I want to go with a recommendation Assembly, was National Assembly, or say Senate. Maybe the military prepare exam. I want to call upon you, those of you who are podium, and I will remember. I don't know if I come back home. And as deputy party leader, I would want to show others how and what we stand for as ODM. Baba Kuyanare, we are prepared. But you want to call him for us and Saba Kuli. The Yama. Nine will be there. And I want to tell you, your moment you need. You want it? Somebody is at the pump. You want it as a dog here. I don't know the ways. Everything you want to know the ways. Like pass out Sabrina to a very or someone. Take out, but I carry it for you. The side I want more